Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about savings, looking for promotional items, sales items, discounted items, stuff like that. Sometimes on and off, I'll do an unbox or review of a certain items, and sometimes I do maintenance on my car. But mainly this channel is all about saving. So if you're into technology, cell phones, stuff like that, this is the channel for you. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about this free COVID test. This is a government program. It's supposed to be going live on the 19th, which is tomorrow, but it is already live today. So each household can order 4 individual COVID-19 tests. So I just did it this morning. So basically the information is really simple and straightforward. There's no credit cards needed. All you got to do is put in your name, email if you want to, and then you just put in the same thing here, your name, your address, your state, where you're from, and you hit check out. That is it. Once again, for those of you who needed a COVID-19 test, you don't need to pay. This is a free program that they're offering right now, starting tomorrow supposedly, but now we can order it. So if I were you guys, I'll just put the orders in and then get the test, okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll put all the information in the description sections. Other than that, take care and enjoy the saving, and I'll see you guys in the next video.